Hello everyone, this is the opening of Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G. As you would know that since this phone is very tough to get, I am a very lucky person to get this on Flipkart. I ordered this previous 2-3 days before and I'm very lucky to get it. You know that nobody is able to get it nowadays. It's too genuine a pack, you know. And this is the box. It's totally sealed. And as you can see, this is the Redmi Note 4G FDD-LTE. It's fully packed. It's fully packed and bombed with 4G communications, as you can see, and it's sealed totally. Do not accept it's broken. As Xiaomi phone. Now I would open the phone and get to you. Pause. Now we are ready to open it. The seal is gone out. It's a prized possession, so I'm a little bit cozy to open it. Though for you, I will open it. The pack is, as you can see, is too cool. Xiaomi is giving it bombarded. Here's the phone. It's too sleek, as you can see. Totally opened for you, only for you. Yes, I will have it. Yeah! Now, as you can see, the phone is cold booting. Cold booting of the phone, as you can see it. The camera is here, LED. 13 megapixel back one. And front is 5 megapixel, as you can see it. The phone is cold booting. Now I will show you the. I'm doing the English part. This is the accessory which came in. The only disadvantage is it doesn't have an earphone, and it came with a charger with the USB cable and 3 accessories points. As you can see, everything is so cool here. Use the Swift key facility. You have the Wi-Fi, you can do anything. You can see the interface of the phone. It's the iPhone, as you can see. Interface. The matte finish is too good. It's KitKat 4.4. I would gradually, I would say all the N2 benchmark after I have it.